Hi guys, welcome to the video. Got a new purchase, it's just come, so I'm going to open it up, let you have a look, and I might do a few more of these videos because I'm buying stuff all the time, and I'll probably do a few more, so let us know in the comments if you find it remotely interesting. Yeah, let's get going with my scissors here. It's quite long. And I've got one particular job in mind that I do regularly for the reason for buying this, but it will obviously come in handy on different jobs and stuff, but it'll make life a lot easier on particularly, well, tiring job really. It's not particularly difficult, but it's quite tiring. Any guesses yet? I'm sure you know what it is by now. Let's turn it around. Right, so it's a little step-up platform. I do a massive hedge, and I'm sick of getting the ladders and going up and down the ladders, and this would be so much easier. As I say, I can use it on like multiple jobs. I get lots of hedge work and stuff, and sometimes the ladder's just too much and you just want a little, step up. So let's open it up, open the legs out rather and see how it all works. Right, so if I bend down and get my head in it, in the screen, so there's a little red thing here, it pulls out, that releases the legs and they just kind of pull down. So pull that out and let's come out like that, and that locks in place. You can hear there, and that can't be moved now, so obviously nice and secure. And same again. And it's got a nice little kind of grip thing there, so you can like hold it nice. And it's quite heavy when I'm holding it like this, but not, I've got one arm there and it's fine. A lot better than my ladders. And yeah, so it's quite high, nice and high. It seems really sturdy. I'm going to use that today. I've got a hedge job, the hedge that I'm talking about this morning. I'll pop a link down there. I bought it from Amazon. And this one was quite long. It looks just over a metre in length. There were some others a bit cheaper and they were quite a bit shorter, and I thought, what's the point? If you're going to buy something, you may as well get it a bit longer. So yeah, hopefully it'll be decent. Let's go and find out. So I didn't have a chance to film the ending, so I'm doing it the day after. I was genuinely really pleased with that. It was really well built, and you could like kind of almost jump on. You didn't have to like timidly step on. Like, it was really obviously sturdy and well built, and I'm glad I went for a bit more expensive one rather than a cheaper one. So yeah, hope you like the video. The link's below as well if you want to have a look. Up to you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.